Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add drop shadow to your text here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if this video is helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this one's actually very simple. What you need to do is go up to the text bookmark you have up here and go down and click on the default text box. Click plus to add this to your timeline. Now, I then want to go down here on the right-hand side, scroll all the way down until you see the shadow section. You may need to unhide this, click this, and then click the arrow next to it to enable shadow. From here, you'll then see shadow has been added. Now, of course, I currently have a black background, so let's change that by adding a background itself. Let's change this to white just so you can see. You can see the shadow has been added. Now, of course, if I remove the shadow, you can see there's no shadow at all. But this is what it looks like with the drop shadow. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.